All right, now we've got an exponential that does not have a base 10 that we need to solve. It's an exponential base 5. So what we do is we log both sides. As long as we do the same thing to both sides of the equation, it is allowed. We have to log the whole thing, though, so we are taking the log of 5 to the power of 2x plus 3, which should be equal to the log of 48. And then according to the log power property, we could take that exponent and write it in front. So we will have 2x plus 3 times the log of 5, which should be equal to the log of 48. So I'm going to turn these logs into numbers. Log of 5 and log of 48. So I get 2x plus 3 multiplied by, we'll call it 0.70, which is equal to the log of 48, which is 1.68 if we're going two places after the decimal. And if we want to solve for x, please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. We do the stuff in parentheses last, so I will divide by 0.7. And what I do to the left side, I must do to the right side. So I get 2x plus 3. 0.7 divided by 0.7 is 1. And 1.68 divided by 0.7 is 2.4. Then all the stuff that was inside parentheses is done. Please excuse my dear Aunt Sally backwards, of course. So plus 3, the opposite is subtract 3, which you do to the left, you must do to the right, leaving me with 2x. 3 minus 3 is 0. 2.4 minus 3 is a negative 0.6. 2x is read 2 times x. The inverse of multiplication is to divide, so I divide by 2. What I do to the left, I must do to the right. Yes, I sound like a broken record. 2 divided by 2 is 1x. Negative 0.6 divided by 2 is a negative 0.3.
We can't take attendance.
All right, so what we found was that, this is the same thing. We found that x was supposed to be a negative 0.3. And a lot of times I get, oh, I'm at home. I don't know if I did it right. I don't want to keep going if I don't know I did it right. Well, let's check the answer. What this is saying is that if I do 2 times a negative 0.3 plus 3, find that answer, and then do 5 to that answer, I should get 48. So 2 times a negative 0.3 plus 3 is 2.4. So 5 to the 2.4 should be 48. Let's see, 2. 5 to the 2.4 is 47.6. Close enough, because remember we had to round 2 places after the decimal. So close enough to 48 to call ourselves good.